Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can see from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Vespa. So Piaggio Vespa, you can see the matte finish is looking like gorgeous in this color. I like the most. And the black lover, over the black lovers in this, so they can definitely go through this color because this is a matte finishing. This is very difficult color, that coating, because for this color and maintenance of this color should be very careful of this color because matte finishing. So you can see firstly the matte finish has came from the Vespa. So let's go start the video. So as you can see from the front of the vehicle, you can see the three air vents of the vehicle. There is no engine at the front, but the retro design of the three V shapes of the design is massive look. And for the this is a basic variant firstly saying, and the top variant you can get this chrome finish at the three lines at the front, and you can see the horn inside the vehicle. And you can see this retro finishing is like whole scooters. This actually the Vespa has taken from the scooter model to a advanced scooters compared to other scooters. This is a different and different completely package of scooter. As you can see, this is piano black finish it has came, and here you can see the logo Vespa, and the mudguard size is very big. And as you can see, this is a single shock absorber and MRF tires, and this is 3-spoke alloy wheels, and the design of the wheels are gorgeous, I can say in single word. And the tire profile size is 90/110. This is 10 inches tires at the basic variant. If you go through a top variant, you get 11 inches tires. So as you can see, there is complete close inside and neat finishing of the vehicle and up the mudguard, front mudguard. And sides you can see the indicators, both the indicators are placed here. Vespa logo, Piaggio logo, and the headlight you can see it is very small, but it is very powerful at the night time you can see. So coming to the other side, you can see the design of the vehicle at the footrests. 3 footrests, these are finished, and at going through the deeply, these are rubber finish at the grip, so that when you're keeping the legs on the footrest, so that you can feel like rubber finishing and not so grippy type. And here also you can see the rubber finishing, and you can see the fuse, remove the fuse plug from the here as somehow shape here. And here you get Noti logo, and this is a boot, like it's a small size of boot, I will show you. And here you can see the specially made these foot pegs dummies, but the retro design are super, we can say. It's look like original only, but the design of the foot pegs are dummies. At the side profile we can see Vespa logo again, and completely retro design we can see with the Chetaks and the old scooters which has been copied from the same design, at the same aspirations of design it has been made. And we can see the copper finish of the silencer, copper pipe of the silencer. So this is looking like gorgeous color. And we can see the fan size is big, and other side is chrome finishing silencer plate. And at the back side you can see the silencer, it's a small size of silencer, not so big and round enough. And the rear tire, you can see the profile of the rear tire is also 90/110 as per the front tire, the same, and the alloy wheels is the same as the front. So there is no massive difference. MRF tires are given for this vehicle. So coming to the back, Vespa logo, but it is not looking as per the top end variant, it is come in the chrome. The basic variant and the top variant of the differences are some of the chrome finishing and the logos are been changed, that's it. And you can see here is a number plate, it is very low, and the plastic of the mudguard of the rear is high quality of plastic which has been used in these vehicles. And this is metal body as compared to Aspirella. This is the best vehicle I can say it, but both the vehicles are in the same showroom. But compared to Aspirella, the Vespa is very good, and the body build quality is also good as metal body we can see here. And the tail light is also a retro design, oval shaped design, and no LEDs, only a bulbs, and the indicators are also a bulbs. This is also a retro design indicator. Completely vehicle is a retro design taken from the scooters and Chetaks. And we can see in the other side, the engine is in multiple colors. I will show you the difference. You can see here the matte steel finish. You can see here the soft coated of the finishing of the engine pack, and you can see the Vespa logo as a chrome finish. So in these variant colors like chrome, silver, and somehow hard metallic finish. And you can see the single shock absorber at the rear, and the air filter you can see coming out of the vehicle, and Noti logo again here. And these are the dummies of the radium at the night views, and this is a kick rod which is given in the chrome variant, but the metal chrome color and the metal. And there you can see the double stand. What the fuck, man. So here is the side profile of the vehicle. You can see the vehicle of the side profile is very short, but it's very comfortable in the riding position. As you can see, this handlebar at the rear, which can be catch for pillion person, or else you can be carried something be tied for the box. So you can see massive big iron rod, we can say. And the pillion seat of the rear seat is very comfort, which is very large, but the driving seat is become very sharp at the front, so that the driving position can be somehow the problems at the long journeys. So getting to the instrument cluster, speedometer no digital, fuel meter no digital, this is engine heat up, and this is the indicator switch, and this is a headlight pass, and this is for lights. This is BS6 2020 year BS6. This will be continuously when the engine is on, the light will be on. So you can see the buttons too here, which is for time setup. So only the digital meter is for time setup. There are no other there are in the digital meters. Completely at the speedometers is showing like old design, retro design, so that they didn't change to digital meters. And handle holders are very small, we can say. You can see here Vespa written here. Again, side view mirrors are very massive look, and the very sexy look, we can say. You can see matte finish, and this is paint finish. And here you can see the quality of the side view mirrors. It is completely viewing backside everything, and the rubber finish is very good quality of the mirror. Here we can see engine kill switch dummy, because this is a basic variant. At the top variant you will get the engine kill switch. This is power on off button, power button. This is a horn. The horn is decent, indicators, and this is pass light. So overall the key placement is here. So overall the vehicle is, I may say, it's a better good than an Aprilia and other comparison to high range of scooters. This is a better than everything in all segments. The quality of the build of the vehicle, the color segments. In Vespa there are many colors. I will show the photos of the colors you see here. So this is a complete look of the Vespa. So it is looking small and sexy. It's awesome finishing, you can say. With the small size of Vespa, everything is fixed in it without missing anything. So now let's check the under seat, what is it. So here you can see the battery, it is open, no closed battery. So this is the disappointing me, because battery should be closed, something cover like this. And this is a side stand kept under, and this is something plate. You can see the big size of boot in this, full size helmet, and some stuff will be fit at a time in this. So I like the boot size, because I thought it is a small boot size, but inside it is very big. So I like the boot size. So here you can see the finishing of the seat backside, it is very good. Petrol lid here, and petrol quantity is 8 liters. It is much enough for this vehicle, because 8 liters it is giving a mileage of 45. So 8 into 45, 360 kilometers without stopping. Full tank we can reach non-stop 360 kilometers. As per this small vehicle, 125cc, quantity of petrol capacity is very good quantity, I can say. So here you can see the vehicle. So it is looking like gorgeous, and it is looking to me. So let's ride. I kept a name for she called Black Mamba. Wow, super name, Black Mamba. Like, let's go to ride and review the video. So let's go. Very silent. Wow, super. I like the impression of the silence. It is silent. It has been started, and indicators off, fast light off, and we can, if you listen the sound, this is like KTM silencer sound, a little bit like KTM sound, but very low. The brakes are very good performing. Both in the basic variant you get only the drum brakes, both front and back. At the top end variant you get the both disc brakes, 145 mm of disc brake. And let's turn the vehicle and without keeping the legs down. There is a small issue of this vehicle when braking. It has been vibrating very much, so only in this vehicle has this problem. The showroom person has been said to me, so somehow problems to brake, so sorry for that. And let's go and give a throttle. Sorry friends, speedometer is not working, fuel gauge is not working. I think very good pickup and Newton meters of torque as per my comparison. This is 125cc engine and 9 Newton meters of bhp and 9 Newton meters of torque at the 3600 rpm. Overall the vehicle is very good compared to Aprilia. This you can choose because as per the value of the bike as in 2020, I choose Vespa is better than the Aprilia. So here you can see I have pressed hard brakes, very good performing. And but somehow stabilization is missing, the control sense is missing because the size of the vehicle is too short. So you can see suspension is very good, only front brake getting a single shock absorber and rear getting dual shock absorbers. So it is massive enough to this vehicle, short vehicle, because as per my opinion this suspension is very good performing. Overall the radius when you are turning the curves at the edges, the vehicle is performing very good because it's a short radius turning vehicle. It is a short vehicle, so at the street rides for ladies and for short journeys, for in traffic, you can be choose confidently. We can take this vehicle, and for long journeys it may be some difficult. So let's go and give throttle. So you can listen the sound of the vehicle like KTM it is coming. So because of the sound I am getting excited and more. So because of the sound also we can give some throttle more to this vehicle. And overall the vehicle is performing very good compared to Aprilia and other vehicles, short N-Torque and etc. But the price segment is very high at this price, more than a 1 lakh. Ex-showroom in Hyderabad, so it is around 1,18,000 ex-showroom in Hyderabad. So on road it is 1,10,000 I think so this fuel capacity is 8 liters. Also a boot getting very big space, also getting a fuel 8 liters is, I will say that Piaggio has made superb design of the capacity of both boot and the fuel tank, both at the besides, and compared to my later and 125cc, 9 Newton meters of bhp at 9.6 Newton meters of torque at 3600 rpm at this vehicle. And overall the vehicle engine and the performing balancing of the vehicle is good, I may say. So at the short journeys it is very good, and in traffics like metropolitan cities this vehicle is very good, best choice I can say. You can blindly go through vehicle if you compromise with this price segment. So as per my opinion better than Aprilia Vespa. So brakes are also a good performance than Aprilia. So both the drum brakes in this you get also a disc brake, and the stabilization is also better, not so good, I will say average, because when the braking hard the control of the vehicle is somehow disturbing for me. And because of vehicle profile is very small. This is basic variant. You get almost 3 variants in this Vespa. First is this is the basic variant, Noti, and you get ZX and ZXL I think so. So 3 variants. As you can, the variant changes, the price also increases. And this Black Mamba is superbly performing. 125cc. As per the 125cc in the market value, I think 20,000 is more than all vehicles, but this value is there for this motorcycle. I can be say as resale value also is there for this motorcycle. Also Vespa having many other gadgets. When you are overtaking the vehicle, there is no issues in this vehicle. So there is a Benelli 600i. Soonly I will be review that. So my favorite bike, Benelli 600i. That is not a silencer of company. Benelli silencer, not. It is off the market silencer. So that's why the sound is like this. And okay, coming back to Vespa. Sorry. So overall the Vespa performance is good, I may say. If you like my video, please like, please share to your friends, please support my channel, and if you're not still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon. Overall this is a vehicle. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.